Hi, I'm Ate Alia Jane Gaspar.
Hi, I'm Kuya Gian Minorca. Hi, I am Kuya Glenn Patrick Bautista.
I am Kuya Jilwin Balbieso.
Hi, I'm Diane Rudil. Hi, I am Ate Rosen Perez.
Hi, I'm Rowan Figueroa.
And we are Group 2 from Stand 11 Socrates.
Since our community is experiencing shortage of water,
We, as a researcher, decided to conduct this kind of study to know what are the experiences of our own farmers during at that time. This study also aims to provide solution and help those people experiencing shortage of water.
A lot of happening in our daily life, but as a researcher, we decided to conduct this study to help our own farmers.
This study will help to improve farmer strategies and decision making from their future.
Based on our research study, the crisis experiencing by the small farmers of different area in our country wasn't easy.
Although our study was not done yet, we are looking forward to encounter more studies like this. And once again,
We are Group 2. Our research study is entitled The Farmers' Challenges on Shortage of Water, Experiences of Small Farmers in Barangay Balii, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. This study aims to determine the main reason why farmers are experiencing water shortage. Specifically, this study will focus on answering the following question. Number 1. What are the reasons behind water shortage experiences by the small farmers in Barangay Balii, Santa Cruz, Marinduque? Number 2. How does the shortage of water affect the economic life of a farmers? Number 3. What are the suggestions of small farmers in Barangay Balii about the shortage of water?
It became a struggle at this time because of climate change. The farmers experienced difficulties to adapt changing of weather. Gateways were created to supply chain integration to facilitate the trade of water through price arbitrage. As shown by the example of Ghana, water markets can help countries to develop efficient solutions for water issues. This study aims to find out the farmers' behavior due to climate change and how it affects their daily life. The finding of this research can help farmers in making appropriate development plans for the future climate intervention. There will be no doubt that farmers have been unable to address other aspects about the shortage of water in development such as production of food and small landholders of agriculture market link.
Significance of the study. The findings of the study may provide a deeper understanding on challenges of farmers about the shortage of water in Barangay Balii, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. To the farmers, the result will give them a realization on how to manage their challenges during the shortage of water. The aim of this research is to know the challenges of the small farmers caused by shortage of water and to give them a specific solution to their challenges.
there are some studies conducted by professionals like Erickson Peñalba of 2019 which states that through climate change, many of rice farmers in a certain place in Bulacan experience shortage of water supply to their farms. And sometimes, when the weather is unusual, the crops will be eliminated. Changing of weather highly affects the rice farmers' income and other livelihood prospects. According to the Department of Agriculture, the presence of El Nino weather phenomenon could lead to what we call agricultural crisis.
Researchers therefore include that there are several significant reasons why the Philippine water supply for agriculture has been falling. This would seem to be due in part to poor management and to politics. Managing water resources is highly complex and influenced by politics and policies, good and bad. We noted at the outset that the Philippines faces a new situation with limited capacity to expand the irrigated area.
Research design. The researcher chose qualitative research. This study focused on lived experiences of human beings, especially farmers, and a searching event of phenomenological method was used. This study falls under this category of phenomenology because of this study is tend to focus more on lived experience of small farmers of Barangay Baliis on a shortage of water, and what their option about the specific problems caused by the shortage of water.
Research local.
The researcher will be conduct the gathering information at Barangay Santa Cruz, Marinduque. It will implemented to 5 small farmers. The study will be focused on their thoughts, experiences, and problems during the shortage of water.
The researcher will be employed the data gathering tools for this study. The small farmers will be questioned and the personal interview will be used. This will be used to gather information faster. The interview composed of some questions designed to elect a data about their perspective and their challenges of small farmers. Questionnaire will be also serve as guide of the researcher when they will conduct the interview.
Data gathering procedure. The first phase will be the preparation of all the questionnaire for the interview. The question should be related to the study. The second phase will be the correction of some questions if there are some mistakes. The question must be relevant, which can provide data needed on the study. Then, the third step is the actual interview together with the small farmers who are going to answer the research question that the researchers prepared of. After gathering all the necessary data, the researchers will proceed to analyzing and evaluation of all data gathered.
Ethical consideration. In qualitative research, we follow 3 ethical principles: voluntary involvement, informed consent, anonymity, and confidentiality. The respondents' information would be protected through maintaining their confidentiality and anonymity through hiding the identities during the data collection, data analysis, and publication of their findings. This means that in order to take part in research study, respondents must be informed about the study and make freedom on their own decision.